Hi. In this video we will be talking about the importance of saving money and building your wealth. Watch this video to the end to learn all about simple ways to save money and build your wealth. Welcome back to the International CEO. Simple ways to save money and build your wealth. Saving money and building wealth are essential steps towards financial stability and security. While the journey may seem daunting, especially in today's fast-paced world, it's often the small, consistent actions that lead to significant results. By adopting simple yet effective strategies, anyone can embark on the path to financial freedom. In this guide, we'll explore various practical ways to save money and build wealth, empowering you to take control of your financial future. Budgeting is the foundation of financial management. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Allocate specific amounts for essentials like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Set aside a portion for savings and investments. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to streamline the process and stay organized. Review your expenses regularly and identify areas where you can cut back. This could include dining out less frequently, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for services like cable or internet. Small savings can add up over time and contribute significantly to your financial goals. Take advantage of automation to make saving effortless. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings or investment account each month. This ensures that a portion of your income is consistently allocated towards your financial goals before you have a chance to spend it. Building an emergency fund is crucial for financial security. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small if necessary, but make regular contributions until you reach your target. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and protects you from unexpected financial setbacks. Treat saving as a non-negotiable expense by paying yourself first. Before paying bills or indulging in discretionary spending, allocate a portion of your income towards savings or investments. This prioritizes your financial goals and ensures that you're consistently building wealth over time. Avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation by living below your means. Just because you can afford a certain lifestyle doesn't mean you should. Instead of upgrading to a larger house or buying luxury items, focus on maintaining a modest lifestyle and allocating extra funds towards savings and investments. Maximize your employer benefits to boost your savings and investments. Contribute to retirement accounts such as 401ks or IRAs, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. Take advantage of health savings accounts, HSAs, or flexible spending accounts, FSAs, to save on healthcare expenses. Minimize debt whenever possible, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. Pay off existing debt aggressively and avoid accumulating new debt unnecessarily. If you must borrow, opt for low-interest loans and prioritize paying them off quickly to minimize interest payments. Investing is essential for long-term wealth accumulation. Educate yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop a diversified investment portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Stay informed about personal finance and investment principles. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial experts to expand your knowledge and make informed decisions. Financial literacy empowers you to take control of your finances and make choices that align with your long-term objectives. Define specific, measurable, and achievable financial goals to guide your saving and investing efforts. Whether it's buying a home, retiring comfortably, or starting a business, having clear objectives helps you stay focused and motivated. Break down large goals into smaller milestones and celebrate your progress along the way. Building wealth takes time and requires discipline. Stay committed to your financial plan even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Avoid impulsive decisions and stay focused on your long-term objectives. By consistently practicing patience and discipline, you'll gradually build wealth and achieve financial independence. Saving money and building wealth are attainable goals for anyone willing to commit to sound financial practices. By following these simple yet effective strategies, you can take control of your financial future and create a life of security and abundance. Remember, the key is consistency and perseverance. Start implementing these tips today and watch your wealth grow over time. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts such as Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs, and 401ks. Contributions to these accounts may offer tax benefits, such as tax-deferred growth or tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Maximize your contributions to these accounts within allowable limits to optimize your tax savings and accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Don't be afraid to negotiate expenses such as insurance premiums, utility bills, or even rent. Many providers are willing to offer discounts or better rates to retain customers. Research competitors' offers and leverage this information during negotiations to secure better deals. Even small reductions in recurring expenses can lead to significant long-term savings. Embracing frugality doesn't mean living a life of deprivation. Rather, it's about being mindful of your spending and prioritizing value over extravagance. Cultivating a frugal mindset allows you to enjoy life's pleasures while maximizing your savings potential. Take advantage of cashback and rewards programs offered by credit cards, retailers, and online platforms. Earn cashback, points, or miles on your everyday purchases and redeem them for discounts, travel perks, or statement credits. Just be sure to use credit responsibly and pay off your balances in full each month to avoid interest charges. Monitoring your net worth regularly provides insight into your overall financial health and progress towards your goals. Calculate your net worth by subtracting your liabilities, debts, from your assets, savings, investments, property. Track changes in your net worth over time to assess your financial trajectory and make adjustments as needed. Housing is typically one of the largest expenses for individuals and families. Explore ways to optimize your housing costs, such as downsizing to a smaller home or refinancing your mortgage to secure a lower interest rate. Consider house hacking, where you rent out a portion of your home to offset expenses, or explore alternative housing arrangements such as co-living spaces or house sitting. Investing in yourself through education, skills development, and personal growth can yield significant returns over time. Consider pursuing further education or certifications to enhance your earning potential. Invest in books, courses, or workshops that expand your knowledge and skills in areas relevant to your career or personal interests. Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, pause and ask yourself whether it aligns with your values and priorities. Mindful spending involves being intentional with your purchases and avoiding impulse buys. Consider implementing a 24-hour rule, where you wait a day before making non-essential purchases to prevent buyer's remorse and unnecessary spending. Diversify your income sources to increase your earning potential and reduce reliance on a single source of income. Explore opportunities for side hustles, freelancing, rental income, or passive investment streams. Building multiple income streams provides financial resilience and accelerates your wealth-building journey. Safeguard your assets by having adequate insurance coverage and implementing asset protection strategies. Review your insurance policies regularly to ensure they provide adequate coverage for your home, vehicles, health, and liabilities. Consider umbrella insurance to provide additional liability coverage beyond standard policies. Cultivate healthy financial habits that support your long-term financial well-being. This includes practicing regular saving, budgeting, and tracking expenses. Set aside time each month to review your finances, set goals, and evaluate progress. Over time, these habits become ingrained and contribute to your financial success. Financial circumstances and goals may change over time, so it's essential to remain flexible and adapt your strategies accordingly. Be open to reassessing your priorities, adjusting your budget, or realigning your investment strategy as needed. Embrace a growth mindset that embraces change and seeks opportunities for continuous improvement. Incorporate philanthropy into your financial plan by giving back to causes you care about. Whether through donations, volunteering, or supporting charitable organizations, giving back not only benefits others but also brings fulfillment and perspective to your own life. Remember that generosity is a powerful tool for building wealth and making a positive impact in the world. Saving money and building wealth is a journey that requires diligence, discipline, and a long-term perspective. By implementing these additional strategies and embracing a holistic approach to financial management, you can accelerate your progress towards financial independence and create a life of abundance and fulfillment. Remember that small actions taken consistently over time can lead to significant results, so start implementing these strategies today and watch your wealth grow exponentially. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.